There we go, Mr. Esposito. Here we are.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Esposito, 6th grade science and social studies, Greenville Early College, and
Mr. Goff, 3rd grade, A.J. Wittenberg Elementary School, Greenville County
Public Schools. Who is better than us, baby? Tell them what's going on in your class.
Well, let me tell you a little bit of something, okay, everybody? Now, we're going to get into measurement.
Measurement,
it can be tough because you got to use a ruler and you got to use it right. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Yeah.
Like, does that mean you start from this side, or?
Well, you're going to see. I'm going to show you on this video right over here.
Oh,
you guys watch what's coming up here. Oh, here we go.
Oh, there
Measuring
it is.
with a
I
ruler.
see it. There we
All
go.
right, so,
there we go.
Now, check this out over here. We're measuring with a ruler. And when you use a ruler, you can't start, when you're measuring a line, you can't start right at the end of the ruler. You got to start at the 0.
We're going to start at the 0.
Oh,
there it is.
So let's look at this this ruler over here we got here on the little video. Now watch what happens. We're going to count. We got the inches over there, okay? The ruler shows us inches. It also shows us centimeters on the other side. But we're going to use the inches side. And we're going to go up to this line right here. We're going to start right at the 0.
Bang, right there, right on that 0.
See how the 0 is not at the end of the ruler?
Now, why do we start at the 0?
Because that's where counting starts, at 0.
0. That other part's just extra wood, extra plastic.
Extra plastic, extra wood, just to make it easier to handle.
Excellent.
Now, we're going to count up to 3. This line right here happens to be 3 inches. Now, see, we're not starting at the end. We're starting at the 0, and then you go up to 1, 2, 3. And there you go, 3 inches. And then we just go ahead and put 3 inches there. That's me talking in the background. All right, now, let's look at this next one. That was nice and easy because it just went to 3.
I thought I was hearing things.
Yeah, me too.
That's him talking.
It's
okay,
the,
go ahead.
video.
All right.
Now, let's change this little ruler over here. Let's move it on over, starting at the 0.
Move it on over. Okay, good.
Okay. So we're not at, look at this. Look at this line.
High. We stopped too high.
A little falsetto. Yeah. We got 0, 1, and we stop before we get to 2 on this line.
Oh.
So we got to make sure, okay, where is that? Does that look like it's halfway between 1 and 2?
Oh, that looks like it's about half. Just about half. Just about half, yeah.
Just about half. So it is 1.5.
1.5 big ones. 1.5 inches.
That's right. We call inches big ones sometimes.
Inches.
1.5 inches. Now, what happens if the line is straight up and down and not just left and right? Well, you got to move your ruler.
Oh, there you go.
Now, what are we going to start counting again, Mr. Esposito? Where do we start counting?
0.
That's right, 0. So we're going to line it up at the 0, right there, 0. And Mr. Esposito, what's it look like? We got 1, 2, 3, 4.5.
4.5.
Yeah,
4.5.
4.5. Not 5 yet, but
5.
Past 4. So we go 4.5.
1 shall not be that number. That number shall not be 2. 5 is way out.
Yes, that's true.
4.5 shall be that number.
4.5 shall be that number.
Set in stone.
Hey, set in stone.
Woo!
The Mesopotamians. Hey, all right, there we go.
Okay, what do we got? 4.5. There it is.
4.5.
4.5 big ones.
Now, Mr. Esposito, we know how to measure lines now, right?
Yes.
What happens when the lines make a shape and you want to find how much the shape goes all the way around? What do you want? If you want to find the measurement all the way around a shape, what is that called? Do you remember what that's called?
Yeah, a circle.
Well, if it's not a circle, it's like a rectangle.
Square, a rectangle, triangle?
Perimeter.
A perimeter. You want to find the perimeter or something.
That's right, perimeter or something.
Let me ask you something.
Oh.
So what do you have to do? You have to get a ruler that's soft, right? So you can wrap it around?
You know what? You don't have to. You just measure each side and then add them up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's what we're going to do here. Look at this. Look at the bottom of this one here.
Oh, there we go. So we basically have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. You're right.
All right. We got it. 5 big ones.
Now, if that side of that rectangle is 5, the bottom side is 5 inches long, what do you think the top side is?
Should I get a ruler and measure it?
You can.
I can. But is it a perfect square?
It's a perfect rectangle, so it's also
5 inches.
There you go.
5 inches. So
5
inches on the top, 5 inches on the bottom.
That's right.
Okay.
Now what do you have to measure? The sides. Right?
Oh, yeah. You've got to measure the sides.
Yeah. Can't forget those sides. So now we have a 5 on top, 5 on the bottom. And now we're going to find out what's on the left and the right.
Okay.
What does it look like?
1, 2.
That's right.
2 big ones.
2 big ones.
There you go. 2 inches.
2 inches, everybody. Look at that. 2 inches. And if that side's 2 inches, then the other side's 2 inches. Now, remember, perimeter is the distance around the figure. So do we have to do all those numbers?
Put them in a circle.
Well, think about it. What are we going to do with those numbers?
We're going to add all those numbers.
That's what we're gonna do.
I see. Yeah, because if you straighten this whole thing out like this,
add it up.
Add it up. 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2, that's 5, and 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You got it right there.
That's 10 plus 2, 12, 2, 14.
14 inches.
Right.
There you go.
Excellent.
And that's perimeter. So
and
it's
he even
just,
made a big smiley face.
Look at that. Look how happy the drawer is.
Even very, very happy.
That's
He even has hands.
He has hands and he has feet.
Excellent. Yep.
And he has, guess what he has?
No neck.
No neck. Some sunglasses.
Oh,
Yeah.
I wear my sunglasses at night. I wear my sunglasses at night.
Thanks, everybody. Good job.
Are we done?
Mr. Esposito, we're done with that. We're done. That's measuring right there
Excellent.
for
That was awesome, wasn't it?
Coming
That's
up.
called a flipped lesson. 2 thumbs up,
Yep.
ladies and gentlemen.
2 thumbs
Mr.
up.
Esposito, 6th grade science, social studies, Greenville Early College, and
you. Mr. Goff, 3rd grade, A.J. Wittenberg Elementary School, Greenville County.
Public Schools. Who is better than us? 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. All right, that's awesome. I didn't stop it.